A very good morning to one and all children. Sai Ram. Now, children, today we are going to do the textual questions and also the notebook question answers of chapter number 13, the earth and the sky. Chapter number 13, the earth and the sky. So all of you children, open your EVS textbook. Keep it ready on the table and keep the notebook also ready, right? And your pencil box, 2 pencils and eraser. Did you all open the textbook, children? Chapter number 13, the earth and the sky. Page number 67. Page number 67. So pay attention. Go through the textbook. Teacher will be reading the lesson. We live on the earth and the chapter number 13, the earth and the sky. Now let us see. We live on the earth. It is round in shape. The earth is made up of land, water and air. Then land. We live on land. Mountains, hills, plains and deserts are different forms of land. The plains are areas of flat land. The plains are areas of flat land. The explanation part already I have done in the last lecture. So today we are only reading the lesson. Mountains and hills are higher areas that rise above the plains. Deserts are hot and dry parts of land. They are covered in sand or rock. See, can you see the picture of mountains and hills, children? Yes? Okay. Now this is desert, dry area. And let us see now water. Water is found in the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. We breathe in air. We breathe in air. See, can you see lake? This is a lake. This is river. Now let us see the sky. Look at the sky. During the day, we can see the sun. The sun gives us heat and light. We can also see clouds in the sky. So during daytime, what can you see in the sky? We can see the sun, clouds, even you can see birds flying. Sometimes even you can see aeroplane, right children? Yes. And at night, what can you see in the sky, children? At night, white clouds look like balls of cotton. Dark clouds bring rain. At night, the sky becomes dark. We can see the moon and the stars. They shine in the sky at night. They shine in the sky at night. Now, after this, let us see the next one. The sky at daytime. See, you can see the clouds, right? Sun also. And during rainy season, you can see dark clouds, right? At night, you can see the stars and the moon. You can see the stars twinkling. Now, let us see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with words from the help box. One has been done for you. You have the help box. From the help box, you have to pick and choose. The first one is already done. We live on the earth, right? The second one, there are mountains and hills on land. There are mountains and hills on land. Dash is found in oceans, seas and rivers, water. What is found? Water. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. We can see the moon and the stars at night. We can see the moon and the stars at night. Now let us see, mark the sentences as true or false. That is right or wrong. We live on the moon. Is it correct, children? It is wrong. It is it right? Yes, children? It is wrong. Next, the earth is made up of land and water. Is it right or wrong? It is wrong. The earth is made up of land, water and air. Land, water and air. Right? Water is found in the oceans but not in the sea. It is again wrong. Water is also found in the sea. We cannot see air. It is true, correct. We can only feel air. We can see sun and the moon at night. That is true. That means 3 true and 1 and 2, 3 false and 2 true. Right? The first one, we live on the moon, false. We live on the earth. The earth is made up of land and water. Again it is false. The earth is made up of land, water and air. Water is found in the oceans but not in the seas. Again it is false. Water is also found in the seas. Sea. We cannot see air. It is true. We can only feel air. We cannot see. We can see the sun and the moon at night. False. It is false, children. The last one is also false. We can see the sun and the moon at night is false. We can see moon and stars at night. Sun you can see only at daytime. So 4 false and 1 true. 4 false and 1 true. Now let us see the next one. Okay. Now the next one. Match the following. First is stars you can see in the sky. And water. From where we get water? From the sea. Water from sea. Mountains and highland. Dark clouds bring rain. And sun gives us light. Yes, children? Water we get from sea. Then mountains and highland. Then dark clouds gives us rain. Sun gives us heat and light. Yes? Okay. Now, let us see. Take the correct word. Take the correct word. The earth is what shape, children? Is it round or square? It is round. So, you will tick on round. We can see or feel air. We can feel air. Second one. Deserts are dry or areas covered in sand. Deserts are dry. The first option. Plains are flat areas of land. That is the second one. Then dark clouds bring rain or white clouds. Tell me which clouds? Dark clouds bring rain. Dark clouds bring rain. Dark clouds bring rain. White clouds look like cotton balls. Dark clouds bring rain. Now, write 2 things you can see in the sky in the morning and 2 things you can see at night. See, you can write anything, children. I have mentioned sun and birds. And that night we can see stars and moon. Right, children? Okay. Now, open your notebook. All of you open your EVS notebook and take out your pencil and eraser. I think it is ready with you, right? In the index you will write lesson number 13 and write today's date. Take a new page. We will start with the hard words. Heading you will write lesson number 13, the earth and the sky. Let us start with the hard words. First one is earth. Earth. Second one, round. Round. Third one, shape. Third one is shape. Fourth one, mountains. Fourth one is mountains. Fifth one is plains. Fifth one is plains. Sixth, deserts. Sixth one is deserts. Seventh word is different. Different. Eighth is higher. Eighth word is higher. Ninth word, areas. Ninth word is areas. 10th one is above. 10th one is above. And 11th one is covered. 11th one is covered. So we have seen in all how many words? 11 words. First one is earth. Second is round. Third is shape. Fourth, mountains. Fifth, plains. Sixth, deserts. Seventh, different. Eighth, higher. Ninth, areas. 10th, above. And 11th, covered. Right, children? Now, you have few more words, children. It is not over. 12th one is sand. 13th, rock. 14th, oceans. 15th, rivers. 16, lakes. 17, breathe. 18, clouds. 19, sometimes. 20th, becomes. So in all, how many words we have seen? 20 words. Again, I will repeat from 12th. 12th is sand, then rock, then oceans, then rivers, then lakes, then breathe, then clouds, then sometimes, the last one becomes. So all these 20 words you are going to write in book number 9. How many times? 3 times. You can write even 5 times. You have to write and learn these words. Okay, children. Now, let us come to the question and answers. Again, take a new page. Write the heading, the earth and the sky. Lesson number 13, the earth and the sky. And questions, you will write the number in the margin. All the numbering should be done in the margin. The question 1, answer the following. Answer the following. What is the earth made up of? What is the earth made up of, children? We have already seen this. The earth is made up of land, water and air. The earth is made up of land, water and air. Again we will see. What is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of land, water and air. Question 2. Write the different landforms. Write the different landforms. The different landforms are mountains, hills, plains and deserts. Mountains, hills, plains and deserts. What is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of land, water and air. Write the different landforms. The different landforms are mountains, hills, plains and deserts. Mountains, hills, plains and deserts. These are the 2 questions. Now, let us see the third questions. Name the different water bodies. Name the different water bodies. The different water bodies are oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. The different water bodies are oceans, rivers, seas and lakes. The different water bodies are oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Why do we need air? We need air to live and breathe. We need air to live and breathe. Let us see question number 3 again. What are the different water bodies? The different water bodies are oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Why do we need air? We need air to live and breathe. We need air to live and breathe. Can we see air, children? No, we cannot see air. We can only feel it. We can only feel it. Now again we'll see question 3. What are the different water bodies? The different water bodies are oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Why do we need air? We need air to live and breathe. Can we see air? No, we cannot see air, but we can feel it. But we can feel it. Now question number 6. What do we see in the sky during the day? We see the sun and the clouds in the sky during the day. We see the sun and the clouds in the sky during the day. What do we see in the sky during the day? We see the sun and the clouds in the sky during the day. What do we see in the sky at night? We see the moon and the stars in the sky at night. We see the moon and the stars in the sky at night. So children, here we have I think around 7 to 8 questions. So you have to learn all these questions by heart. These questions are very simple. If you know the spellings, you will be able to write. So please write and learn all the 20 hard words. Write it in the book number 9 and learn it. Okay children? So have a nice day children. Thank you. Bye bye.